dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stoker, we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannel Morris here. If you haven't already, press that subscribe button and press that bell button for notification every time I put up a video. Okay? For this video, I will be showing you step by step on how I apply my lashes underneath my real lashes. Okay? Take that in for a moment. One little piggy went to market, one little piggy went home. We're gonna put both piggies on our eyelash. So we are going to get started, but before we get started, I want to tell you some disclaimers just in case you go blind yourself, okay? So first of all, you have to make sure the glue is like basically almost dry, like really tacky, and there's no runniness to it. And to test it, you can definitely tap it on your hand. If there is glue residue on your finger after applying the glue to the falsies, that means it's not ready to be applied underneath your lashes, because with this method you have to be very careful. And the reason why I love this method is actually because my lashes are super curly. So my lashes actually curl back, basically back to my eyelids. So that's why I apply underneath, because I want that flawless, seamless look, and I want to make sure that when I take pictures there's no space in between my real lashes and my false lashes. Okay, so I just want to say to you, if you are applying these lashes, make sure the glue is very dry, to the point where it's very tacky. Not fully dry, but as you apply it, it sticks underneath. And you will see what I'm talking about when I go through this whole tutorial. Okay?
The lashes I'll be using today is Lash Flare lashes in CW302, and they're 3D lashes. As you can tell, it comes in a 5-pack lash. I love them. Their band is very flexible and they're very easy to manipulate.
Okay, I'll be using 2 different glues, one for each eye, and the reason why is because some of y'all are not going to be using some hair glue underneath your lashes, so I'm going to be safe with you and show you how to use it with this Kiss adhesive glue, and it's the one in the black container, okay? But my go-to everyday get it done 2-minute application glue is actually this Salon Pro hair glue. So get you some. I already sized the lash to my lash, so therefore when I put it on, it's gonna be the perfect size. I don't have to size it down. And also, a trick that I learned about a lash application is that your right hand for your right lash, all you have to do is apply it like that and make it curl to your actual lash. So apparently, I don't know if it's a myth, but I do it just in case because it works for me, is that this finger, when you do this, it actually curves the lash perfectly to your eye curl. So I do that for both hands. So right hand for the right lash, left hand for the left lash. So therefore it's an easy application. So for the right eye, I'm going to, I don't normally do this, but because I love y'all, I'm gonna do it.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
glue in my hand is because that's where I put that excess glue that I take off the actual lash. So next, I'm just going to apply underneath.
And
okay. So you can take this finger and kind of lift your lash up a little bit, and that pink part of your eyelid, you don't want to apply it there. You want to apply it literally where your lash end. So you're still applying it to your eyelash, but the only difference is it's underneath your lash instead of being on top, as close to your lid as possible. But you have to be careful because you don't want to poke out your eye, you don't want to go blind or anything. So it does take a lot of practice to actually get it perfect, but it's worth it because it looks seamless. It looks like your lash. It looks like a bad bitch thing, you know? So let's try it. All I'm gonna do is like that. And there you have it. This is with the adhesive Kiss glue. So I don't usually use this glue, but I'm just using it for you guys just because if you're very hesitant about using the hair glue, I understand, like, it's not for everybody, but this is not bad as well. I think this is safer, but I like to live on the wild side. So it's very easy for me. It's not gonna be as easy for you your first time or your second time. You just have to keep on practicing and do it. And the reason why I actually apply this underneath my lash is because my lash is very curly. So my lash basically curls back onto my lid. So there's no way I can apply it on top of my lid without actually seeing the little space, a dramatic amount of space between my real lashes and the fake lashes, and I hate that. Like, nobody had time for that. So yeah, I actually don't mind this Kiss glue. It's not bad. It's not bad. I thought I'd be having bigger problems, but it's not bad. I actually don't mind it. It's that easy, you know? Press that easy button. Staples be promoting me right now. Just kidding. But yeah, I like it. It's not bad, okay? So I'm gonna do the other lash, my left lash, but I'm going to use the Salon Pro, and this is actually hair glue. If you don't know this glue, you can, it'll be linked down below. I can link it for you, but that is actually for hair, like putting in your tracks and stuff. So if you're very hesitant about it, you can definitely use the Kiss adhesive glue. This you can definitely get at Walmart. It's with aloe and it's the black one, and I like that one because, you know, if you didn't notice, I'm black, and my lashes underneath it, if it fades into, like, if it dries black, I'm okay with it, just because it'll give it like maybe an eyeliner look or something like that. But you can also use whatever glue you're comfortable with, but just be careful because you have to, and I am going to say this multiple times, you have to make sure it's almost dry. Like, not to the point where it's dry where it won't stick to your lash, but to the point where it's basically, as you put it on, it suctions to your bottom lash. I add it to the end of my tweezers, and then I apply it to the rim of the lash where that little band is. That's where I do it. And a tip for you guys for when you're getting lashes is to make sure that the band is very flexible. don't be getting those stiff bands. Like, nobody wants that. You want one that's flexible, that you can manipulate really easily and everything. So when you put it on your lash, you can quickly adjust it and make sure it's the right fit, you know? But I don't use this kiss glue, but I'm feeling it. Like, maybe I'll be using it more often. I've had it forever, and I'm just like, I'm just stick with the evil that I know and just use that Salon Pro glue. It's my Jamaican ways, you know, because in Jamaica, that's the glue they use. Well, I don't know if they use it anymore, but that's the glue that they used when they were applying lashes. So, and for the next one, you lift and then you apply just like that. See? 2 seconds. And at this point, I'm just kind of manipulating the band to be not too close to my eyes, but also close enough to not be noticeable. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. Boom, done like dinner. See? So this side, you can't tell the difference right now. Honestly, you cannot. Because this side is the Kiss adhesive and this one is the Salon Pro. It's just so you guys can see that this application works with any lash glue that you use. You just have to make sure that it is tacky enough and not too wet so it gets into your eye. Definitely practice, and you will have these seamless, flawless lashes. Okay? I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in to another video, and you know some love no. So don't forget to press that subscribe button down below and that bell button for a notification. And if you know someone that wants to try this method, definitely share that video, okay? Share this video with them and hopefully it works out for you. If you do try it, let me know if you've been wanting to try this. Definitely tag me in the pics and let me know how it works out for you. Love y'all. Bye.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Riding around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah.
It takes a lot of balls.